If your mugshot is still on Google in 2026, you're losing jobs, and here's how ReputationZilla removes it in 14 days. Here's the problem. Google doesn't automatically delete arrest records from search results. Submit a legal removal request to Google within 72 hours citing outdated criminal record policy. Contact the original mugshot site directly and request takedown under GDPR or state privacy laws in 48 hours. This matters more in 2026 than ever. A potential employer Googles your name, finds a mugshot from 2019, and your interview gets canceled within 24 hours. That arrest was expunged 3 years ago, but the mugshot site never updated. Your reputation takes a 60% hit on every background check. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla to handle mugshot removal end to end. Most people fail here. They fill out Google's removal form once, get rejected, and give up. The rejection email says insufficient evidence but doesn't explain what evidence Google actually wants. You need 3 specific documents: a court dismissal letter, a state expungement certificate, a sworn affidavit from your attorney. Without all 3, Google Auto rejects your request in 72 hours. With ReputationZilla, we prepare the full legal package and submit it correctly the first time. Step 1 is identifying every site hosting your mugshot. Run your full name plus the word mugshot in Google. Write down every domain. The average person appears on 12 different mugshot sites. Each site has different removal policies. Some charge $400 per takedown. Some require a faxed court order within 30 days. ReputationZilla tracks all 12 sites and handles the removal paperwork for you. Step 2 is filing the Google Legal Removal request. Log into Google's Legal Removal tool. Select outdated content about you. Upload your expungement certificate as a PDF under 5 megabytes. This is important. Google rejects requests with missing court stamps or blurry signatures. Your document must show the case number, the dismissal date, and a visible court seal. ReputationZilla submits these requests with attorney-certified documents so Google approves them in 7 to 14 days instead of rejecting them. Here's the problem most people ignore. Even after Google removes the link, the mugshot site itself still ranks for your name. Someone clicks page 2 and finds it anyway. You need simultaneous takedowns. If you only handle Google and skip the source sites, 73% of searchers still find your mugshot within 90 days. That's why a coordinated removal across all platforms matters. One missed site undoes the entire effort. Now here's the exact wording to use when contacting mugshot sites directly. Copy this template. Subject line: legal request for immediate removal under expungement order. Body: I am writing to request immediate removal of my booking photo and arrest record from your website under court order dated your expungement date. My case number is your case number, and the charges were dismissed on dismissal date. Attached is a certified copy of the expungement order. Under state law, you are required to remove this content within 30 days of receiving proof of expungement. Please confirm removal by replying to this email within 72 hours. That exact wording triggers their legal compliance process. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. Use this exact phrase: by Friday, I will know if how to remove mugshots from Google Search 2026 moved my 1 number. Identify every mugshot site hosting your photo. Submit Google Legal Removal with certified court documents. Stop losing job offers. ReputationZilla removes mugshots in 14 days. Link below. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete mugshot removal service. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.